example, 7 times 7 times 7 can be represented as 7/3. Here the exponent is 3, which stands for the number of times the number 7 is multiplied. 7 is the base here, which is the actual number that is getting multiplied. So, basically, exponents or powers denotes the numbers of times a number can be multiplied. If the power is 2, that means the base number is multiplied 2 times with itself. Here is the examples. 3 raised to 4 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Suppose a number A is a multiply by itself n times, then it is represented as A raised to n, where A is the base and n is the exponent. Product with the same basis. This law, for any non-zero term A, this is the formula, and we can use this. A raised to m times A raised to n is equal to A raised to m plus n, where m and n are real numbers. Example, what is the simplifications of 5 raised to 5 times 5 raised to 1? So this is the answer. 5 raised to 5 times 5 raised to 1 is equal to 5 raised to 5 plus 1 is equal to 5 raised to 6. This is the final answer. Next, quotient with the same basis. The formula is A raised to m divided by A raised to n is equal to A raised to m minus n, where A is a non-zero term and m and n are integers. Examples, find the value when 10 raised to negative 5 is divided by 10 raised to negative 3. This is the answer. 10 raised to negative 5 divided by 10 raised to negative 3 is equal to 10 raised to negative 5 times negative 3 is equal to 10 raised to negative 5 plus 3 is equal to 10 raised to negative 2. The final answer is 1 divided by 100. Next, power raised to a power. According to this law, if A is the base, then the power raised to the power of base A gives the product of the power raised to the base A, such as A raised to m times n is equal to A raised to mn, where A is a non-zero term and m and n are integers. Examples, express 8 raised to 3 as a power with base 2. We have 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8, or 2 raised to 3. Therefore, 8 raised to 3 is equal to 2 raised to 3 times 3 is equal to 2 raised to 9. 3 times 3 equals to 9. Next, quotient of power. As per this law, a fraction of two different bases with the same power is represented as, the formula is A raised to n divided by B raised to n is equal to A divided by B times raised to n, where A and B are non-zero terms and n is an integer. Example, simplify the expressions and find the value of 15 raised to 3 divided by 5 raised to 3. So, the answer is 15 divided by 5 times raised to 3 is equal to 3 raised to 3 is equal to 7. And last, zero power. According to this rule, when the power of any integer is 0, then its value is equal to 1. So this is the formula. A raised to 0 is equal to 1, where A is any non-zero term. Example, what is the value of 5 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 2 plus 4 raised to 0 plus 7 raised to 1 is minus 3 raised to 1. Solution is 5 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 2 plus 4 raised to 0 plus 7 raised to 1 minus 3 raised to 1 is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 7 minus 3 is equal to 10. The answer is